In this video, I'll show you the correct way to remove section breaks in Microsoft Word without losing your document formatting. First, you need to make section breaks visible in your document. Go to the Home tab and look for the paragraph group. Click the Show or Hide button. It looks like a paragraph symbol to display all hidden formatting marks. Now you can see your section breaks. They appear as dotted lines with text that tells you what type of section break it is. Highlight the section break and simply press the delete key once. The section break will disappear immediately. When you delete a section break, Word combines the sections before and after the break, and the new combined section uses the formatting from the section that come after the break. If the formatting changes in a way you don't want, just press Ctrl-Z to undo and try a different approach. Or consider keeping the section break and modifying your formatting instead. And that's the proper way to remove section breaks in Word.